Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your iPhone 11 has a modern iOS, and your carrier supports eSIM. Once done, make sure you have the carrier QR code, activation code, or the carrier app downloaded. You open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. This begins the activation handshake. Do not skip the backup step. It preserves current SIM settings. You're now at the point where the phone is listening for the eSIM profile from the carrier, so proceed to scan or install. You scan the carrier QR code or choose Enter Details manually. The phone retrieves the eSIM profile and begins installing it. If you use the carrier app instead, follow its activation prompts and allow any required permissions. Make sure the app reports success. Once the profile appears, label it clearly, primary or secondary, so you can manage calls and iMessage. Then decide which line handles voice versus data and set your default. This ensures predictable behavior when you make calls or use cellular data. You enable cellular data for the new eSIM and toggle data roaming only if you need it. Once set, restart the iPhone to finalize network registration. After reboot, place a test call, send an SMS, and browse to confirm mobile data. Make sure iMessage and FaceTime use the intended line. If something goes wrong, try resetting network settings first, then contact your carrier with the QR or activation code. That single tip solves most activation issues quickly, because many problems are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.